All right, we're down here at Marina Bayside, right on the edge of the beautiful Botany Bay in the south of Sydney. Right next door is our workshop, Onboard Engineering, and we work closely with the guys here at Marina Bayside and bring out a lot of boats, and this one in particular is 60 Viking we've got behind us. Great facility. They're really putting a lot of time, a lot of effort, a lot of money into this place with new sheds and big boat storage facilities. Yeah, it's going to be a fantastic place. Really, really good joint. They've put the big sheds up here, so meaning you can work in sort of a lot different and adverse weathers like we kind of learnt today with the rain coming in. It's a fantastic facility with the ability to lift a 68-tonne vessel, and it's right next to our workshop, which makes life really easy for us and cost effective for the owners too, where when you're doing running gear work or doing major works, to be able to quickly nick next door and fabricate something or get an extra tool or get an extra pair of hands when you're lifting heavy components, it all makes a big difference rather than having to travel somewhere else and get set up and get established on the job, where our workshop's right there and we've got everything we need at our fingertips.